Well, it's time to get your medical questions answered. The number to call, 608-270-9933.
Dr. Zorba Paster is here, and he's ready to take your calls. And while we wait for those calls to come in, we wanted to talk with him about the importance of the power of attorney for health care.
Right. Critically important. Because if somebody, first of all, if something happens to you, you want the right person to make the decision for you, whether or not you need to be on a ventilator, medical care, and so on. And if you don't have a durable power of attorney, it goes to a court, and the court decides who's the right person. And who do you want to decide? Some judge who doesn't know you, or somebody who knows you and loves you?
So who needs one of these?
Everyone.
Even if you're married?
Every single person.
Even if you're married?
Right, because even if you're married, the other person does not have the ability to actually make the decision. Now, the court is probably going to, probably is the word, decide that. But what if you're married and you have kids? The court then has to decide who's going to be in charge, the children or the person who you're married to. Yeah, even if you're married, you have to have it. Now, it's very simple. We're going to have this on the News 3 website. You have to fill it out, but let me tell you something that's really important. You don't have to have a lawyer do that. You decide one person to make the decision. If that person can't make the decision, you picture the next person. But very importantly, you have to have two people who witness it. Now, it's two people. You can't read this. But it's two people who don't get money from your estate. They have to witness it and date it. Now, I know somebody whose durable power of attorney wasn't correct because it wasn't dated by the second witness. Guess who that was? Me.
Oh.
So then what do you do?
I looked at my power of attorney, and the witnesses didn't date it, which meant it may have gone to a court if it wasn't dated correctly.
Well, you're lucky you're still with us. So what do you do? Do you just have to email it to somebody, or what?
What you do is you bring it into your healthcare provider. After you're finished, every provider in Dane County in the viewing area really has this. Easy to get on Epic, easy to get from the News 3 website. Fill it out, have people witness it, and then you decide who makes the decisions for you if you can't make them. And there's often a point where that occurs.
I would imagine not only is this good for a person personally, but I think it would save families a lot of stress.
Totally.
Yeah.
Totally. A loved one, like who's in charge, this person or that person. So it not only saves you the problem, it saves your family the problem of who's in charge.
All right, we'll have it
Get
online.
it done.
Get it done. And it's free.
And it's free.